Do you have any notes for this? Are there any problems on there that are similar that give you hints of solving for square root?
Three. I got 21.93.
Oh, no. That's not for x, that's for y. So for y, I would do 38 divided by square root.
Why square root?
38.
There you go.
Yeah.
Square rooting. You wouldn't divide that. You just plug it in. Where would you get 3 from?
Because it's a 30, 60, 90 triangle.
Continue on, Philip. You know what? You good? What's up? What are you looking at?
I'm confused about notes. I thought this number was supposed to be bigger than this one.
It is.
Then why is it that whenever I did that, I got 65.8? Unless I'm supposed to divide 38 by the square root.
Let's see what you get for that.
I got 21.9.
What do your notes even mean, Philip? Where'd you get this from?
Midget.
I'm trying to.
Andrew, you good? All right, let's make it happen, brother.
Hey, can I see the other calculator that's up there? I'm trying to figure out something. Because I think the opposite angle of where y is at, or not opposite, but where y is at, is supposed to be the bigger angle. Because look at where it's at. I'm just trying to figure this out because you're confusing me. Hi, Kimberly. And Eileen and Anna. See, this is why it pays to take good notes, Philip. What is this? No, that is side is supposed to be smaller. Okay, so we were right about that. It's supposed to be smaller. Can I see where this problem comes from? Do you have the sheet that the problem originally came from?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Huh?
Can I see it?
He has it. Mr. Midget has it.
Okay.
You won't get it?
No, I'm not
No.
sending him all the way over there to get a paper.
Mr. Midget's all the way across into the. He's in the East Campus.
Oh, really?
Okay. I don't know. Are you able to help me? Because I don't understand this information. Thank you, Kimberly. I was just about to type that out.
I think I might have to figure out a way to solve it. Alright, watch.
I'm watching because your notes are not much help.
Okay, so 38 divided by 2.
Why would you divide by 2?
Wouldn't it be-
Because you want to get half. So I know that x is half of 38. So, because, what's it called?
I would go from solving the X to Y. Mm-hmm.
So that's how it's the full triangle right there. So, whatever this is, plus this should equal this.
Wait, what question is this one?
It's not on there. Remember, Midget has that paper.
Mr. Richard has it.
Isn't there supposed to be like a number inside the triangle? Like all of them? Look, there's like the outside and the inside.
What's it called? So this is what you're talking about is this. The 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree. So you get the 30, 60, 90.
Are you supposed to use that?
No. I was just thinking how to solve it. Because you got 30, 60, 90 triangles, and you got 45 degree triangle. 45, 45, 90
That
degree.
is really hard to see from all the way over there.
Okay. Here. Forty-five degrees. Okay. That's a 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. What we're solving is a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. They have two different, what's it called? Ways of
Angles?
solving.
What's one way?
1 second.
Because on the paper, you show one way for Pythagorean.
Huh?
On the paper, you show one way for Pythagorean. Is that not related to this? Because you really need to take better notes. Don't tell me shut up.
Please.
No, that's not funny. If I'm not even able to infer anything from your notes, how are you going to be able to look back and infer
Is
anything?
there one similar to that one?
The closest one to it would be number 7. Because, what's it called? I know that for number 7 we divided 46 by 2 and got 23. Or Y.
Then why don't you divide 38 by?
That's what I said earlier. You asked me why. And for
Just because we
X,
asked you later, don't mean it was wrong. I was just trying to gain knowledge because you pulling
So-
numbers out of the air. Be
so-
like, let me get a 3 here and a 2 here. Like, what?
So for that, I got 19.
For your X?
Yes. 19 plus 19 equals 38. So this side's 19, this side's gonna be 19.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'll take 19
You're going to square root it.
square root and 3. And I got 32.9.
mean, you're thoroughly explaining to me. Now it makes sense. Instead, I'm pulling over here and I'm pulling over here, and it's gonna be right because it actually makes sense now. Those numbers would align with the information we're given, and it would fit if we were to plug them in instead of 68 here, 38 here, 19 here. We don't know here. Like what?
That seems about right.
I would write out that number instead of putting it in a formula side like that. So x equals 19, right?
Yes.
And then for the y side, since we have x, we just plug it in and square root it. Well, with a 3 instead of square root it, but yeah. Okay. I mean, you learned something new. We touched base on this for me a while back. When I see notes and it's good notes, it helps me infer. And I'm like, okay, it's coming back. But when it's nothing there and it's just pictures that are labeled and you got some
That's
problem
what the
with
video
it,
was.
the video,
We had to watch a
I
video
would
and take notes
take
over.
it a step farther and educate myself.
We had to copy everything off the video and put on that.
That's not quite helpful.
That's midget for you.
Well, I'm not
So,
going to diss a
this one you
teacher.
just had to subtract.
No.
This one you had to subtract.
We divided.
Oh, okay.
So for this one, it was 46 divided by 2, which would give you your y. And you could take your y, which was 23, and then square root it by 3. So we 23 times the square root of 3.
That easy?
Yes.
That easy?
Philip, make it that hard for what? What was the reason, Philip? What was the reason?
Because I didn't understand the
No, it's okay. I'm just giving you difficulty. Good job, though. I'm proud. Okay.
Please.
Well, wait. We got like 11 minutes on the clock.
I didn't waste that much time.
Philip, what if she actually needs help with her stuff?
I do?
I do.
What I do in the little.
It sounded like a question.
Yeah, like,
I
what?
do.
Okay, do you have an uh-huh?
I just don't understand,
Yes.
like,
Okay, well, we can discuss it because you're not going to have time to go to the board. Philip, did you have an uh-huh?
Yes, I did.
What was your uh-huh? Stop moving, child. Stop moving, child. I'm a little kid on candy. You don't stop moving.
Aha moment was
I'm still tripping on how you wrote this backwards. I'm going to show you guys what I wrote for the notes because it might be a little hard to see. Let me know when you're done, and I'll write down the steps.
Sure, Alyssa.
There's my aha.
Angel, are you? Did y'all learn anything new from the first two presentations? All right, so make sure when you write what I found meaningful, make sure you write down the new stuff you learned.
My first step was
Just type in the chat box when you guys are done writing that, and I'll write the steps so we can see it. Well, it's going to be behind me directly because we wrote an opposite way.
This goes, man.
Hello? Yes, sir. This is C. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No. No, they were not able to help me. Yeah, at this point, I've just kind of muted the app, so it's no use to me and my schoolwork. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna install it. I just haven't because of update and not really looking at my phone due to work. But it's no help because it still sends notifications every hour. And when I've called, it's just a constant cycle of contact the school, it's nothing on our end. Then the school, well, go to Pearson. It's like just a constant cycle. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. Thank you. Bye.
I take a picture of my work
Okay,
for reference.
that's fine. I mean, you're gonna have your admin notes also.
I know. But I'm just saying. I'd rather use these notes
Hey,
than
Philip,
those.
I have a task for you since you're talking and you're not really doing anything because
Shit.
you're waiting at me with your notes. Hold this up so the kiddos can see it. You're gonna have to- Okay, thank you.
The steps?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Oh, that's my song. I love that song. Is your bonuses pop?
No.
I just see that.
Then why you ask?
Sound like a crunchy like leaf.
You can hear that?
You know, I hear Amy moving the desk.
Why is it weird?
So let us know that you're moving around. Can you guys see the notes? Oh, you didn't have to lower it.
Is that 19?
Yes. And while you were up there, I verified your sources, like with the square root stuff. That's how I told you were correct. So unless we're both wrong and the sources I found were wrong, you're good.
Okay.
No,
What?
I realized I wrote it in the wrong spot.